So hey everybody, this is going to be a hair review first impression video for Maxine hair, and this is an AliExpress store, and they did send me some deep wavy bundles for you guys and a deep wavy frontal to review and to show you guys, just so there's no confusion. And I'm sorry I have to say this in like all my videos, but this company did send me hair. I did not purchase this hair myself. So I made it into a unit. The texture, number one, is absolutely gorgeous. It isn't frizzy. It isn't like all raggedy at the bottom. Like, this hair was actually really good to work with. And normally with like deep wavy textures, it tends to tangle really quick. I did not have an issue with this hair whatsoever. The only thing is it did tangle when I was taking the wefts apart, like out of the bundle. So as I was pulling it apart, the hair did tangle a little bit, but nothing to where I couldn't get the hair like loose. And I think it came out pretty good. This is 22, 20, 18, and a 16-inch frontal. Let's get into the frontal really quick. This frontal does not come pre-plucked. However, it's still not super thick where you couldn't just wear this just straight out of the packaging. Another thing is I did not get a chance to bleach my knots because I've been going through so much this past week. So I wanted to hurry up and make the unit just so I can show you guys the hair, because it is really gorgeous hair. Another thing is I'm just trying to zoom in so you guys can maybe see some of the different colors in this frontal, because this frontal has like a lot of different colors in it. Like it has like some orange strands, and then it has like some gray strands in it. I'm not even sure if you guys can see it all the way on this from this camera, but I'm just trying to back up so maybe that you guys can see. I'm going to kind of pull some of the strands that I can see. So like in this piece right here, so I'm not giving y'all a finger, but in this piece right here, there's like an orange piece, and there's also like some blonde pieces in this. So I'm not sure if this is really virgin hair or if they colored this hair, just because I didn't get a chance to actually color the hair. So I definitely cannot tell you guys for sure if this is virgin hair or not, because I'm not sure if virgin hair comes with multicolored strands in it. But if I am wrong, like if you guys know that it does, please comment down below so people can know if you guys think this is virgin hair with the different color strands in it. But for the most part, almost all the bundles have like some different color strands in it. So I'm hoping that this is virgin hair, but it definitely feels like it has nothing in it. Well, it definitely has no product in it, but I mean, like, sometimes when you get like deep wavy hair or deep curly hair, it's very crunchy. This hair is not crunchy. It's very soft, and I haven't had any tangles or shedding so far, which is actually like a really definitely a good thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on just so we can get a look at how it looks. And this is a 13x4 frontal. And actually, I wish I would have went a little bit longer on the frontal, just so it wouldn't be so like distinct, like the different lengths, where it wouldn't be so distinct. But as for the hairline, let's get into this hairline really quickly. The hairline is very natural. It does come ear to ear. I do have a small head, so this is definitely a 13x4 because it comes underneath my ear. The hairline is really nice. Again, it's pre-plucked, but not super pre-plucked for you. But again, I could definitely rock this without having to pluck it. So again, that made it a big plus for me. It does come with long baby hair for you guys to customize, which is also a good thing if you guys are into baby hair. A lot of people aren't. And I'm just going to part this. And this is what it looks like with no cap on. So it does still look pretty realistic without having to bleach your knots and stuff. So I'm just going to move back so you guys can see the whole unit. So with the curly hair, no, I'm sorry, with the wavy hair from them, you are able to definitely tell the distinct different bundle lengths, which is probably my fault because normally I will wet the hair and let it air dry just to give me more of a balance to it. But I'm actually not mad at this. It's definitely realistic. It's definitely very, very soft. It definitely gives you that big hair don't care type of feel. It's just, these lengths are very, very distinct. And that's the only thing about it fresh out of the packaging. So I definitely suggest washing this hair first and letting it air dry. And don't use, I suggest don't use shampoo on this hair. Just use conditioner. Brush it out as it's wet with the conditioner in it. Rinse it. Let it air dry. And then this unit would be poppin'. But again, this is just a first impression of the hair. And I do think it is really, really pretty. I would definitely just have to, again, co-wash his hair. Let it air dry just to give me more of a finished look. With the 22-inch, I do feel like it is more relaxed. And then the rest of the hair, like the 16-inch up here for the frontal, definitely gives you that tighter curl. But it's not a really big difference in texture. Like the texture is actually really, really pretty. It's all the same. And again, I'm just surprised that it hasn't shed yet because I've had this for about a week now. And I've been playing with it and looking at it and touching it every 5 seconds. So I'm actually really surprised it's not shedding. But it's really, really pretty. So let me know what you guys think. I will come back and do another video of me putting this on. So I'll see you guys in my next video.